Hey everybody, Zach at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. Just wanted to give you a quick video walk around to this very good looking 2016 Monterey 258 SS. This boat here, the beautiful black hull, just really stands out. You also notice that white fiberglass articulating arch. That's an electric arch that folds down, very, very nice. Notice as you work to the bow of the boat, you've got bow docking lights, beautiful flat stock, bar stock, stainless steel rub rail. Bow rails along with stainless steel rub rail. Stainless steel pop-out cleats down the side of the boat. You're also going to notice it's got kind of a taupe, if you will, stripe going along the bottom, and it is paired with the Tidewater galvanized tandem axle trailer. Work your way down the side of the boat, you're going to notice things like the black stamped windshield, gives it a good look. Notice the lights that are underneath the blower vents, very sharp looking, and a lot of stainless accents as you work your way around the boat, including the Monterey badging in the pop-out cleats. Work your way to the back of the Monterey here, and you're going to notice a nice big swim platform. It does have underwater lights, the Bravo 3 drive. It does have sea-deck flooring and a ski pylon as well. I love showing this feature. It's got a very cool port side transom trunk. This trunk actually goes all the way under, nice and deep. It's got lights in there. It's all strut held, gasket sealed, channeled, and drainable. It's a very good looking locker on the back of this Monterey. As we enter the boat on the starboard side, there is a starboard side fully concealed ladder. You're also going to notice this nice sun pad right on the back of the boat that can actually convert to be a sun island. Simply fold the backrest forward and you've got this nice big lounge. Or flip the sun pad up a little bit and you've got this aft facing recliner. And integrated into that sun pad is a quick flip up backrest. So as we enter the boat, some of the feature-rich features you're going to find include a transom trim switch right here at the back of the boat, transom stereo controls, the plug-in for the battery charger along with a transom shower. You'll notice it's nice and easy to walk into the cockpit area, very free-flowing, and when you get into the cockpit, it is very spacious. Just kind of walking through the boat, you're going to notice the port side seating here. This seating can be flip-flopped to give you an aft-facing lounge seat. And it's wonderful if you're pulling somebody on a tube or water skiers, so you got a good spotting area. Notice the seats in the boat are all in very nice shape. Monterey does an exceptional job when it comes to their fit, finish, and attention to detail. Stainless cup holders, nice grab rails. And the seats are generally speaking in very, very nice condition. Work your way over to the back transom, and this is where you're actually going to notice the head unit for the stereo. And underneath here, you have the battery switch that also doubles as the door for the back. Now down inside here as well, you're going to notice the area here where you can raise and lower the arch with the push of a button. And we might as well just show you how that works. So if we were going to lower the arch, push the button and you can see the arch going down. And it's pretty impressive. It actually goes quite low. So if you have a low bridge or if you got a low parking area to get into, it really does go nice and low. It does have a Bimini top. You can see that up there as well, along with the lights underneath the arch. And the power arch is a pretty neat little function here. Very expensive feature, brand new, but it's very, very convenient. As we continue to work our way through the boat, you've got a nice in-floor storage locker here. You're going to notice all the sea-deck flooring followed throughout the boat. Work our way to the helm. This is extremely impressive. Beautiful big oversized helm seat. Love all the padding that they do along the shifter. And you take a look at that helm, that is absolutely gorgeous. The Raymarine right in the middle there. You've got your gauges, easy to use switches, stereo controls. Take a look at that eyebrow, that's very cool. Keeps that sun glare off the gauges. Compass up top, just a good looking setup. Over to the other side, you've got a glove box, and this is also the head compartment door. And it's for a 25-foot boat, a generous size head compartment with a small sink, a little bit of storage down there and solid surface countertops. And from there we can work our way all the way forward to the bow section. Monterey does an incredible job making the bow section of this boat very deep and very comfortable. Lots of wraparound combings, grab handles, your Jensen speakers, cup holders. Very, very well done. Even the small little trim pieces underneath are just exceptional. Again, those flat stock bow rails, very, very sharp looking. Love the headrest that they put on those. They kind of give it a good look and a good image. Multiple use of vinyls and colors just give it a good look. Your water fill is right up on the top. Just a sharp looking setup. While we're up here, let's look at the bow locker. Simply flip it open, you're going to see a spot for the anchor along with a forward bow ladder. So there's a lot of features that we certainly can take you through. A couple of them in mind. There is a bow table that can be mounted in the front. You also have side storage here, and it's all lit up, which is very nice. You can see there's line holders in there, and there's a spot to hang life jackets as well. The bow block-off door is also part of that side storage area. They conceal that very nicely. And certainly before we leave the inside of the boat, take a look at the engine compartment access. That is phenomenal. Absolutely huge. Your batteries are easy to get to. 6.2 liter 300 horse MerCruiser. The engine is new. That was new in, I believe, 2023, and has actually 0 hours on it, I'm going to say, because last year the boat did not even get in the water. The engine hour meter on the dash is the original hours based on the ECM, which is 290. So again, not a lot of time on this boat, and certainly no time on the new motor, but a very impressive motor compartment. So that there is just a real quick video walk around of this Monterey 258 SS, a boat that certainly should not disappoint inside or out, loaded with a lot of impressive features. And at the end of the day, it'd be a boat that we'd be glad to show you, answer any questions you may have, and we certainly would love to set up a time to view. Again, I'm Zach Pater here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota, and I appreciate you taking the time to view our video.